Hello everyone, this is Lily from QIE Group, China. Today I come to our factory to deliver the equipment. This is the production line we will deliver to Ghana. It is about 20 tons per hour palm fruit pricing line. Today what we mainly deliver is the sterilizer, 3 sets, and palm kernel silo 2 sets, and 1 settling tank. QIE Group is special in edible oil industry for more than 40 years old. We provide design, manufacturing, delivery, installation, and commissioning until your factory can work very well. Welcome all of the world. Friends and clients, come to our factory for further more details and technology. Thank you.